Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm taking a stroll down Changxing and Changqing streets in Chengdu. If my accent trips you up, all the location details are right down in the description box. Just a quick heads up, this is a 100% raw documentary-style walk capturing these streets day and night. Whatever or whoever ends up in the frame, including the late-night street culture, is simply part of the local scenery. We're just passive observers here, no hidden agendas, just pure street vibes. If you enjoy this kind of content, do me a huge favor. Give that subscribe button a little love and smash the like button. It really helps trick the algorithm into thinking I'm cool. Thanks a ton, guys. I put all the timestamps in the description so I don't have to read them out and trip over my tongue. Check them out down below. It's probably so hot out that this guy just decided to lay on the ground and scroll on his phone. I mean, definitely not your average homeless person, just a dude chilling in the heat. Meanwhile, these two shops next to him are locked up tight. But my spidey sense is telling me there's way more than meets the eye here. I'm gonna explore the neighborhood first and swing back later to see what's really up. All those tables you just saw belong to hot pot restaurants. Once dinner time hits, they'll all be set up and ready to feed the crowd. Now, Changqing might be the undisputed hot pot capital, but Chengdu definitely gives it a run for its money. And hey, don't worry about your stomach. There are plenty of Western spots around here too. But if you ask me about the real local star, it's Rabbit. Honestly, I had to get over a bit of a mental hurdle the first time I tried it, but man, it's actually super delicious. Right across the street, there are a few shops that look totally ordinary right now, but come nightfall, they turn into something pretty mind-blowing. Honestly, I only stumbled upon them by pure luck after dark. Luckily, I managed to snag some quick bonus footage, otherwise, I would have completely missed out. Trust me, you'll want to stay tuned. Look at this little guy, living his best off-leash life. Off-leash dogs are pretty much a staple in rural areas around here. The downside? If you're driving on the national highways, it turns into a real-life video game of dodging wildlife. Sadly, not every furry friend makes it across, so you see quite a few tragic accidents along the road. So, today's second big highlight was literally just a few yards ahead, but of course, I only realized it after my camera decided to melt from overheating. Perfect timing, right? So, change of plans. I'm doubling back to check on those two closed shops from earlier. Maybe barbershops? Maybe something way more interesting. Let's see what's cooking over there now. Alright, mystery solved. That dude who was chilling on the pavement with his phone earlier, poof, completely gone. And look at that, those two barbershops are finally open for business. Looks like my gut didn't lie to me after all. These are definitely not your run-of-the-mill barbershops. They've got a super unique vibe, and honestly, the owners here are absolute eye candy with incredible style. Alright, time for the After Dark edition. Next up, I'm gonna hit these streets at night and see what kind of energy this place uncovers. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. It's literally 10 p.m. right now, and people are still out here going strong with the hot pot. I mean, who needs a midnight snack when you can have a full-blown hot pot feast at night? Respect. So my spidey sense is officially tingling right now. It might not be visible on camera yet, but way down the road, I'm seeing some flashing red and blue lights. Looks like our little night walk just took an unexpected turn. Yep, called it. My intuition was spot on. Both of these shops are officially closed. So I actually packed my camera away and was heading back to that spot where my gear overheated earlier today. But like I said, I stumbled upon something new on the walk back, so I had to whip out the camera for a quick bonus clip. Well, gotta wish that brother good luck. Moving right along, let's go check out Changqing Road after dark and soak in the night views. So here we are, Changqing Road by night. Now, full transparency, I didn't shoot the whole street because I was low-key terrified my camera was about to have a thermal meltdown. So I cherry-picked the absolute best parts just for you guys. What's that? You're saying you didn't see anything? Hey, don't panic. I'm looping right back, so don't switch channels just yet. Did you guys catch that? The owners of these shops are just sitting inside, casually scrolling on their phones, waiting for the next customer. You're probably asking, hey, why don't you go get a haircut? Guys, a haircut here costs 200 RMB. That's like 30 bucks. My travel budget was completely blown on dancing at the local dance halls, so I'm officially broke for a haircut. I've honestly fallen head over heels for Chengdu's dance hall culture. I'm not sure if I can even show those clips without hitting a YouTube guideline flag. But man, I absolutely love the vibe there. Anyway, that's it for today's vlog. Catch you guys in the next one.